Join me as I challenge myself to declutter my entire life and embrace minimalist living for a week. Let's see how much I can let go. Minimalist living is more than just a trendy buzzword or a fancy hashtag. It's a lifestyle that can bring mental clarity, reduce stress, and help you focus on what truly matters in your life. By letting go of the clutter, both physical and mental, you can create space for new experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Clutter is a common problem that many of us face, and it's not just about having a messy room or a crowded closet. It's about the emotional weight that comes with it, the feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, and guilt that can make it hard to even get started in the morning. Clutter can make us feel stuck, like we're drowning in a sea of stuff, and it's hard to see a way out. We get attached to things, thinking that they'll bring us happiness or serve as a reminder of a happy memory, but in reality, they're just taking up space and holding us back. We start to feel like we're losing control, that our belongings are owning us instead of the other way around. The clutter starts to spill into other areas of our lives, affecting our relationships, our work, and even our health. It's exhausting, and it's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. Sometimes we don't even realize how much clutter is affecting us until we take a step back and look at our lives objectively. We might feel like we're doing okay, that we're managing just fine, but deep down we know that something's off. We might feel like we're constantly running on a hamster wheel, getting nowhere fast, and that's when the anxiety and stress start to creep in. The clutter is like a constant hum in the background, draining our energy and dampening our mood. The truth is, clutter is not just about the stuff we own. It's about the emotional baggage that comes with it. It's about the fears, the doubts, and the insecurities that we're trying to cover up with our possessions. It's about the notion that we're not enough, that we need more, that we need better. But the reality is, we already have enough. We are enough. And once we accept that, we can start to let go of the clutter and focus on what truly adds value to our lives. Let's talk about some practical tips for decluttering different areas of our lives. When it comes to our homes, it's about creating a space that sparks joy and inspires creativity. We can start by getting rid of anything that's broken, damaged, or no longer serves a purpose. We can sort items into 3 piles: keep, donate, and throw away. It's amazing how much stuff we can get rid of just by taking that first step. Then, we can focus on organizing what's left, creating a system that works for us, and finding a home for everything. Digital decluttering is just as important as physical decluttering. Our phones, our computers, and our social media accounts can be just as overwhelming as a cluttered room. We can start by unfollowing or unfriending people who don't add value to our lives, by deleting apps we no longer use, and by organizing our computer files into neat little folders. It's about creating a digital space that feels calm and peaceful, where we can focus on what's important. Time management is another area where clutter can creep in. We might have too many commitments, too many tasks, and too many goals, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. We can start by prioritizing what's truly important, by saying no to things that don't align with our values, and by breaking down big tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. It's about creating a schedule that works for us, not against us. For me, the most powerful transformation story is that of Joshua Fields Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus, better known as the Minimalists. These two guys used to be successful businessmen, earning 6 figures and owning multiple homes, but they were miserable. They felt empty, unfulfilled, and stuck. So, they decided to take a leap of faith, to let go of everything that didn't add value to their lives, and to focus on what truly mattered. They started living more intentionally, more purposefully, and as a result, they found happiness, fulfillment, and a sense of freedom they'd never experienced before. Today, they're authors, speakers, and filmmakers, inspiring millions of people around the world to live more minimalist lives. Their story shows us that it's never too late to make a change, to let go of the clutter and focus on what truly adds value to our lives. In conclusion, minimalist living is not about deprivation or scarcity. It's about living intentionally, living purposefully, and living with what truly adds value to our lives. It's about creating space for new experiences, relationships, and personal growth. By taking small steps towards a minimalist lifestyle, we can reduce stress, increase mental clarity, and find a sense of freedom we never thought possible. Thanks for watching, and if you have any decluttering tips or stories, please share them in the comments below. If you want to learn more about minimalism, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.